Dealing with door panel cracks or splits can totally mess up your home's vibe and let in drafts you don't want. So, if your door panel is cracked or splitting, first thing, figure out if it's small enough to fix with wood filler or if you gotta swap the whole panel out. For tiny cracks, grab some wood filler, smooth it on, let it dry, then sand it down so it looks like new. If the damage is bigger or the panel is old and weak, replacing it might be smarter. You can usually find replacement panels at a hardware store or order custom ones online. Before starting, make sure to clean the area well and remove any loose bits of wood so the filler sticks properly. When replacing, take accurate measurements of your door panel to avoid buying the wrong size. After fixing or replacing, paint or stain the panel to match the rest of your door so it blends seamlessly. And don't forget, sealing the door properly after repairs will help prevent future cracks by keeping moisture out. Keep some basic tools handy like a putty knife, sandpaper, and clamps if you're swapping panels. It makes the job way smoother. One of the biggest issues with fixing door panel cracks is using the wrong kind of wood filler. You want one that's durable and designed for exterior use if the door faces outside. Another common mistake is not sanding enough after applying filler, which leaves a bumpy surface that ruins the look. Lastly, people often forget to seal or paint the repair right away, which lets moisture sneak in and causes new cracks fast. To fix these problems, pick a filler made for exterior wood if needed, sand gently but thoroughly until smooth, and apply a protective finish as soon as the repair is dry. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to door repairs and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.